Hello YouTubers and welcome back to my channel. My name is CryptoCap and every time on this channel I bring you content on crypto and financial guidance, I would say, not advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Today I'm going to go over the roadmap of Hero as well as a few details on which the roadmap might miss out. So in Q4 of 2022 they're going to have two more setups, one in Warsaw and one in Zurich, which is going to be two metascanners, I believe, as well as the Dubai metascanner they're already got. They're going to have a new branding because the Everdome and the Metahero websites look eerily similar. They need to detach to become a better brand. They're going to have a whole new website, basically entailing everything I just said. New communication, new content, new technological partners announcement. So they're going to announce new partners. They've also just had a partnership with SONY, which will play into the 2023 Q2 gaming partnership campaign. Before, they didn't have a partnership with Sony. Now they've got a partnership with Sony. I can see these campaigns going even more flawlessly than if they didn't have a partnership with Sony. So I believe because of their partnership with Sony, their expanding game partnerships will grow and grow and grow as long as they maintain that partnership with Sony. They have a loyalty program in beta, which they still have the loyalty program in beta in Q 2023. So hopefully by this time they're going to be getting it out of beta. I would like an update on that. I'm sure we would all like an update on that. Team expansion. They need a good team expansion to keep up with everything they've got going on. They've got a whole load of things going on, judging from this roadmap, and they're only going to add to it over time. So campaign awareness in Q1 23. They are going to have a new public metascanner at a voted location. There's just a whole load of stuff which is absolutely brilliant. Healthcare partnerships. Now, healthcare, fashion, gaming, Metahero can go a lot of different ways. Fashion partnerships in Q3 2023. We have another location, which is like 7 locations by Q4 2023. So that's one. Let's have a look. One location, another location, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 because they've got the Dubai metascanner as well. Even though they don't have it in their roadmap, I believe it was actually done previous to Q4 2022. That's why Dubai is not in their roadmap from Q4 2022 to Q4 2023. But they've got a lot going on, and with this roadmap, I can't see them going wrong. They've already got the partnerships they need. They've already got the financial backup they need. They just need to deliver now and bring out this metaverse and have everything run flawlessly. That would be the best bet, and I do believe that Metahero with this roadmap in Q4 2023 will be higher than what it is now. But remember, there will be a Bitcoin halvening in, I believe it's 2024. It might be 2025, but there'll be a Bitcoin halvening where everything will start to go up again. The bull run will commence, and I believe Metahero will shoot up to first place on the Metahero in the Metahero ecosystem. So stay tuned for more videos. That is the end of the video, short and sweet one today. So tell me your thoughts on Metahero, where you think it's going to get up to, and if they're going to survive this coming bear market. Leave it in the comment section down below. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.